doing is, you see right here where usually the ramp rests on the ground when the ground's level. And so when it's done, it's dropped down, and so the 4x6 is just a little bit lower than the frame of the trailer. So the ribs on the container actually hit the trailer itself, the trailer frame. So then I have to go in here and just bump that up over. Try to anyway. Scoot over. Your chair's taking up, isn't it? There you go. Now what are you going to do? What are you going to do now? You can't sit in my lap. No, you cannot sit in my lap. What you doing, Cody? What is it? What is it? that's a little less talking, a little more doing. The guy I bought the shipping container from, he videotaped some of me loading it, and we ran out of memory for the phone, and so right now I'm running out of battery power. So I wanted to conserve a little bit and kind of show you the high points of what I do to, well, what I've done to unload this shipping container. So I'm going to bring some cinder blocks and put underneath here. The logs are to help it to roll around a little bit, and it's less intrusive on the gravel if you roll around on logs if you have some small poles. We have these little cedar poles here I bought a while back when we moved the 10-foot container, and they work great. It would be nice if they were all uniform and then they would all roll together, but that's the best I could get at the time. They seem to work. So anyway, I hope this gives you some tips on what you can do to move a shipping container if you have the means of doing that. The last time I used the backhoe when I unloaded it, and as you could see in the video, I had a winch, but I could winch it up on the trailer. I have to put the ramps back on the trailer. I think next time I might be able to get away with not having to take the ramps off of there. That would be really nice if I didn't have to do that. Just saved a step, and those ramps are really heavy. So a buddy of mine has a 20-foot shipping container that we're going to go ahead and move, and so I'm getting better and better and a little faster at it. A tilt bed trailer would have done the trick a lot better, but we don't have one of those. Help somebody out. Thanks for stopping by. Take care, and God bless.